Yo, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so let's have a look at what's going on in the market. Some things are recovering, some things are kind of red right now. We're seeing this expected pullback on XCN. A lot of people are scooping it up, DCAing right now, guys. A fantastic idea. Let's have a look at what's going on here. So, Jasmy up 2.3% on the day, down 6.9% on the week, down 29.6% on the month, but up 299% on the year. We are even in rank at 76, a $1.10 billion market cap, volume at 65.64 million. Onyx coin down 8.6% on the day, up 2.5% on the week, up 816% on the month, and up 1,252% on the year. We're down 6 spots and ranked at 89, an $812 million market cap, 92 million in volume. Swiftcoin, another good DCA opportunity, guys. Down 4.8% on the day, 23.8 on the week, up 313 on the month, and up 863 on the year. We're down 8 spots and ranked to 202, 251 million in volume and 22 million. 251 in market cap and 22 million in volume. There is no volume in the market right now, guys, though it is Sunday, so it's not entirely surprising. All right, let's look at some chart action, shall we? All right, so Jasmy continuing to kind of slowly creep its way up here, guys. Slowly, just kind of, higher closes every single day, which you love. We retested this level 3 times before finally moving up. Will we test it again today? Who knows? Who knows, right? But we're not going anywhere to the upside until we start to see some volume come back into the space, guys. Potentially this week, but I'm going to show you why I'm going to show you why nothing's happening in the market right now, guys. I've been telling you guys there's uncertainty in the market. And when smart money sees uncertainty in the market, they do not put money into risk on assets. For that matter, neither does retail for the most part, right? Except for us crazy weirdos who like to DCA when things are red, right? Let's look over at XCN. What do we got? So we fell outside of our bull flag, and we did close out there, which is not a big deal. We can come back up inside of here. We were anticipating this pullback. I said it was going to happen. I said we could come all the way down here to 1 cent 855, and we didn't. We only came down to about 2 cents 35. Now we could come down further still, but I just don't think it's going to be very long lived, right? I think even if we did, it would be a wick like this and then back up again. I don't think we're going to see huge daily candle closes down in these levels right now. It's just too much buying pressure down here. Too many people see this as a buying opportunity down in this range, so I just don't see it lasting long down there. Swiftcoin continuing to do its thing sideways as well, putting in that higher low that we love to see. Higher low, higher low, higher low. I would like to see another move up here soon, putting in another higher low before continuing on. That's what I would like to see. But right now it looks good. It looks healthy. I'm enjoying what I'm seeing on the Swift chart right now, guys. Building strength. We're going to see another big move up. Only a matter of time. Now, this is something else, guys. Look at this Bitcoin chart. All right. Now, Bitcoin. Look at these. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row closing right in this range, right around that $96,500 level, right? This is absolutely weird. These are all essentially neutral candles, okay? Obviously, you can tell the bulls and bears are fighting like crazy. Look at these wicks, right? That means that the bulls and bears are fighting like crazy. Now, what I would point your attention to, though, is back here. Look what we saw here. We saw this collapse. We retested this level, and then we recovered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Look at this massive drop to the downside, and then bought right back up violently. And then what did we do? We moved from here. We had a massive run to the upside, okay? So what did that bring us? Over the course of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over the course of 8 days, after that, we went up about 12.36% on Bitcoin. After that consolidation, we saw that violent dip. Now, if you've been watching me for any period of time over the last week or so, you know that I've been telling you guys we're likely going to come down into this area between 85 and 90 again. But I also said that it wasn't going to be long-lived. I said we were probably going to wick down here. And if we look back at history here, look how we wicked there and came back up. Something very similar could happen right here. And then we could be free to make another attempt at this $106,200 level. We've continued to bounce off of it and reject because there's a giant sell wall there. But could we make maybe wick down here again, come back up, and then over the course of the next week, work our way back up to this $106,200 level and maybe continue to try to break through it again? That's kind of what I'm thinking we might see here, guys. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Yeah, that's kind of that's kind of how I see it playing out right now. Wick down into this area, come back up, and let's go. Another attempt to the upside. However, one thing that's really slowing our progress right now, guys, is this. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I've been telling people about this. Like, Rob, we're seeing all these catalysts for all these different altcoins. Why is nothing going up? Because of this. Okay, and now listen. I know it sucks right now, guys, but it's for the greater good, okay? Eventually, in the next couple of months, when the economy is much better, when these markets are going crazy because Trump is doing this, you're going to be happy that he did. So it might suck in the moment, but when you're making life-changing wealth in a couple of months because of it, you will be happy about it, right? So just sit tight. Do not panic. As we can see, President Trump announces a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum tomorrow. Ethereum made of aluminum. Look at aluminum. Look at the crash. So the point, guys, is that nobody knows what Trump's going to do next right now with these tariffs and stuff. We have to play this out. The smoke has to settle with this whole tariff situation before money's going to start coming into the market. And on top of that, we need to see quantitative easing as well. We need to see the money printer turn back on, okay? These are the things we're waiting for before the market does or goes anywhere, okay? So sit tight. For me, I'm going to continue to buy while we're down here because what else are you going to do, right? If you don't have any money to buy, you're going to have a little bit of time on your hands, work some overtime, somehow scrape up some extra, some extra scratch, and maybe dollar cost average, right? Take advantage of the opportunity while you can. And if you can't do that, then just put your portfolio away for the next 2 weeks and stop looking at it, right? Go touch grass, go to the gym, watch Sonic the Hedgehog 3 with your kids. I heard it's good. So check it out, guys, all right? Captain America goes into theaters, next week? Check that out too, okay? But yeah, so that is why we have so much uncertainty going on right now, guys, okay? And until that stops, it's not going to stop. Now, what else do we have here, guys? Jasmy, courtesy of our friend NeoXtrix. Check him out over on X, guys. He says, Jasmy, past vision, present solution, future transformation. Check it out. Yeah, I think that I can't play that because of the music. So probably not. Sorry, guys. I can mute the music. And then we'll play it. Okay. So you're going to have to read the subtitle on the bottom. Building smart cities and communities. I'll read it as it comes up here for you. That's all it's saying. Building smart cities and communities. We know that they're working on building the woven cities with Toyota. Smart cities, guys. Everything's IoT. And that's the future. Like, we were talking actually last night on the Patreon about Jasmy's future and just about how, the United States and this deal with Japan dumping $1 trillion into AI tech in the States and stuff like that, guys. That has Jasmy written all over it. Okay, Jasmy has partnerships with the Japanese. Jasmy has partnerships with the Japanese government. They specialize in data privacy and security. There's not to mention the Jasmy Secure PC. There are a lot of different avenues as to why Jasmy will likely benefit in some capacity of this newfound collaboration between the United States and Japan. Jasmy is also the largest Japanese blockchain period in the entire country. So yeah, just keep your eyes on it, guys. Big things are coming for Jasmy. Okay. Now listen, guys, Patreon, holy crap, has it exploded over this entire month, guys. And this week has gotten has gotten just even bigger. It's been crazy. We've been dropping gems over there, guys. Personally, I was rolling profits from one of the gems we called just last week. We called it last week. Last night, we took profits out of there. We rolled them into some other gems that we have going over there right now. We're looking at a whole handful of projects that are going to pump just like XCN did. We're talking 2,000-3,000%, guys, if you get in early on these projects. So get over there, check it out. The community is massive. The chat is going 24/7. Everyone's helping everybody else. If you need to learn how to use Coinbase Wallet or understanding gas fees or where to find these projects, what exchanges you can use in your area, so on and so forth. We have amazing community leaders. The community is huge. Like I said, we have a bunch of different chat rooms over there going crazy, bunch of different topics from taxes to DeFi wallets to everything you need to know to finding these gems. We also do live group video calls over there every single evening where you can jump in. You can get all your questions answered, guys. It's very, very educational. Everything you need to know crypto is being answered over there, helping you understand how things work, whether it's the 4-year cycle, DeFi wallets, and everything in between, guys. Definitely check that out. We are live every night over there. On top of that, you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. We can help you with your portfolio structure, help you with your exit strategies, when you should be taking profits, where you should be rolling those profits, and so much more. Maximize the amount of profits that you have the potential to make in this bull run, guys, by joining our community. We have printed 28 7-digit portfolios in the last few weeks over there, guys, and many, many more high 6 figures, okay? Because we get in early on these gems, we roll profits around everyone. We are changing lives over there, guys. Check it out. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys in the next one.